In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut and trim videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's start inside Premiere Pro with your project already open in the editor and your clips placed on the timeline. This is where all the cutting and trimming will happen. To make a cut in your video, you'll use the razor tool. You can find it in the toolbar, usually on the left side of the timeline, and it looks like a small razor blade. A faster way is to simply press the C key on your keyboard. When you do this, your mouse cursor will change to the razor icon, letting you know that you're in cutting mode. Now move your playhead or just hover your mouse to the exact spot on the clip where you want to make a cut. It can help to zoom in on the timeline so you can be more precise. Once you're hovering over the right point on the clip, click once. You'll see that the single clip is now split into two separate pieces at that exact frame. You can repeat this anywhere you want to break your footage into smaller segments. For example, to remove mistakes, rearrange scenes, or insert transitions. Next, let's look at trimming, which is about adjusting the start or end of a clip without cutting in the middle. Switch back to the regular selection tool by pressing the V key or by clicking the arrow icon in the toolbar. On the timeline, move your mouse to the very edge of a clip, either at the beginning or at the end. As you hover over that edge, your cursor will change into a red bracket with a small arrow. That bracket tells you that you can now trim. If you click and drag the left edge of the clip towards the right, you're trimming the start. This means you're cutting off the beginning portion of that clip, so it starts later. If you drag that left edge to the left, you reveal more of the original start, as long as there's unused footage available. If you click and drag the right edge of the clip towards the left, you're trimming the end, shortening how long the clip stays on screen. Dragging that right edge to the right will extend the clip further in time if there's more footage to reveal. As you trim, watch the program monitor and the time indicators to make sure your edits line up with the exact moments you want. Use small, careful drags rather than big jumps for more control, and that's it. By using the razor tool to cut and the selection tool to trim the edges, you can quickly shape your video into a clean, polished edit in Adobe Premiere Pro.